We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a leading production technologist. 6 months ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to expand production and increase the production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen tablet press, and would send me to search again. I then looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website. It was modern, structured, and had a lot of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the classification of tablet presses, possible configurations of the produced tablets, sent me a video by email, an instruction manual, where I was able to study everything calmly. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of a tablet press, which produced ring-shaped tablets. The manager emailed me a video of the machine before shipping the equipment. The equipment was made of solid stainless steel, and the work area was covered with clear plastic shields. The pressed tablets were yellow in color in the shape of a ring. The process of the tablet press was controlled by an LCD screen system. The tablet press came in 2 months. We quickly set up and started production of tablets for treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases, and provided the company with the products for delivery to the Baltic countries. I was able to go quietly into the business that required more of my attention. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery date. He advised me of a good adjuster and repairman we are already working with, and are happy with the results. After talking with a real professional, I became a bit smarter myself and learned a lot. I am absolutely sure that a good teacher is a teacher whose words and deeds do not differ. I checked this on my own experience.